There it goes. It's recording now.
You know everything about cameras, right?
I don't claim to be an expert.
NC Anthro, welcome to Boldt Castle. Furry Guys Invasion 4. Kurita!
Look at that development there. Look at that development. Oh my god, it looks so hot.
Kurita! What's that?
You have the good idea, standing in the shade.
That's why I was headed this way.
Us losers just standing out in the middle of the sun.
I want to itch my nose.
Uh-oh.
I can't itch my nose.
Furry problems.
Put your hand in my mouth and itch my nose. No.
I can look out the mouth, but I'm looking immediately.
Yep, that's like me. It's really good for stairs. I can navigate stairs pretty good.
I'm looking straight forward now.
Say what?
Oh no.
Ah.
I think so.
Yeah, yours is correctly, like, I think. Yeah.
It's what?
You're not like, you don't have to be like this to walk.
Yeah.
I just have to go slightly down so then I can look through the window.
Yeah, I don't have to look down far. Just a little bit. Like that. Oh, I forgot. I just
just slightly open my actual mouth and the jaw slightly opens. I get to see a little more out of it. Oh. Help me. The phone break me. Why does that give you like the...
So who else is...
scene from Wicker Man with
Who else was shooting up?
What? Why does that give me vibes of like Nicolas Cage from like Wicker Man? Yeah. The bear suit.
Who else was suiting up anyways?
I guess I can. Give me a minute.
Oh, that's right. He said he was going to eat first. Yep. I forgot about that. Well, let's see. They don't have this stair. No, they don't have it blocked off. I'm going to walk down the porch.
I think they have it blocked off out here. Oh, no, they don't. Do they? No.
I'll find... Oh, yeah, they do. Yeah. Yeah, they do. Unfortunately. Well, darn it.
We'll have to take the long way.
Yep.
Or we could take a shortcut through the basement.
Well, it's not much of a shortcut, really. Not if you can't go across the porch. But yeah, the basement would be...
It's only closed off just on the other side of the corner.
Right. Stairs or path? Let's go this way.
We can't go that way.
Huh?
Gate. We gotta walk through the gate. Oh, he found a cheat code. No clip. The basement.
Part of it cuts across the other side.
Swimming.
Welcome to the dungeon. The stairway to no place.
Whoa, there's a ramp there.
Sorry, I didn't think to say anything about that. I'm familiar with enough with the place that I don't stop to think that.
Hello.
Hola. Oh, it looks like they got this done. They were working on this last year. This is brand new.
Everybody group up.
Everybody ready?
Group up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, I blinked.
I'm just gonna try to get a picture of all.
Who's taking a picture? Oh,
Firefly.
that might help. That's a good way to make us all blink.
Yeah, this fountain, it was they were working on it last year. Brand new feature here. Finally finished.
Should we go for a swim?
I wish.
Listen, if it wasn't for all the college girls. College girls. Yeah.
Our white tiger at Can Ferns went swimming with his suit one day.
Oh god, how did that go?
Huh?
Oh god, I'm scared how that went.
It's on a video on YouTube actually. BT jumps in his pool in suit.